So guys, this bag have a 6 compartment for storage. This is the first one, the main compartment of this bag. So let's see. Oh, this is my makeup kit, my wallet, my favorite book, my charger. It's very important to me. And my earphone. And also, the last one, my tablet. 2 storage na yun nandito. Ayan. This is the second one. Pwede mo ilagay yung mga coins or something na pwede mo pang ilagay. Your lip tint, your mask, ganon. Ayan. Super spacious talaga siya sa loob. Ayan. Guys, the third and fourth compartment, here on the both side of this bag, which is this one and this one. The right and left. Yeah. And the right one is, eto siya. Sobrang luwang din sa loob, guys. Super spacious ng space. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, andito yung mga daliri ko. Ayan. This is the right one. The third one compartment. And this is the fourth one. Yeah. Ganon din siya. Kung gaano kalalim dun sa isa, ganon din kalalim dito sa left. Sa left side. Ayan. So, guys, ayan. Ganyan siya kalalim. Ayan. This is the fifth compartment of this bag. Super lalim din ito sa loob and super spacious. Ayan. Kung nakikita niyo yung mga daliri ko, sobrang lalim talaga niya. Pwede niyo ilagay yung wallet niyo or something na resibo, ganyan. Kung galing kayo sa market, pwede niyo lagay yung mga resibo niyo or credit cards, ganon. Kasi sobrang lalim talaga niya. Ayan. So guys, the last one is the sixth compartment of this bag. Guys, sobrang lalim nito. Madami kang mailalagay dito sa part na to. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, nakita niyo yung mga daliri ko. Pwede nyo ilagay yung mga papers, important papers, ganon. Ayan, super lalim. Look at this bag. There's a hole here for you to pass your charging cord and headphone cord. So guys, let's try. Let's try to pass our cord here, the charging cord. Ayan. So, you can pass your charging cord here. Your cell phone is very secured on this bag. Kasi pag gusto mo mag-charge sa labas and gusto mo na yung cellphone mo is nasa loob, ayan, safe na safe yung cellphone mo dito. So guys, I already put the earphone on this hole. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo nasa loob yung phone nyo and gusto nyo magpatugtog, pwede nyo gamitin itong hole na to para malabas tong earphone cord. So, ayun. Enjoy the music. Is this bag waterproof? Really? Let's see. And let's try kung waterproof na talaga siya. Ayan. Wow! It's really waterproof, guys. Wow, this bag is really waterproof because this bag is made of high-quality water-resistant nylon material, so you can comfortable wear your outfit without fear of rain or getting your bag